Most people think quality control in diamond jewelry just means checking a certificate or polishing a piece before shipping. But real QC is way deeper. Today, I'll show you the quality promise we follow at Govinda Luxe and what every real manufacturer should be doing behind the scenes. I'm the founder of Govinda Luxe. We manufacture natural diamond, lab-grown, and moissanite jewelry for retailers and wholesalers across America, India, and worldwide. What I'm sharing is the same QC system we use every day to protect our clients and their customers. Real QC starts before a single piece is made. Every stone is pre-selected based on how it performs in real light. Two diamonds with the same certificate can look totally different under mixed lighting. So we test each stone under multiple light sources before production. It decides whether a piece looks alive or flat. Most people never see what happens during setting. Even small pressure can disturb a facet or affect symmetry. That's why we run a full facet integrity check after setting. Certificates don't show these issues, but customers notice instantly. Some jewelry sparkles evenly, some doesn't. It comes down to spacing, stone balance, and prong tension. Even a tiny micro gap can break the sparkle pattern. Most factories skip this step. We check it piece by piece. Every piece has a structural personality. If internal tension isn't checked after polishing, jewelry can bend or warp later. It's a common issue in pave work and tennis bracelets. We run tension checks to make sure the piece stays stable over time. This isn't marketing, it's discipline. Whether it's natural, CVD, or moissanite, the QC mindset stays the same. The jewelry must perform beautifully in real life, not just look good on paper. Many retailers assume manufacturers check everything, but most QC teams only focus on polishing and finishing. The deeper checks like behavior, symmetry after setting, micro gaps, structural tension take real time and experience. That's what separates premium manufacturers from the rest. Better QC means better performance. Better performance builds trust. And trust brings repeat customers, bigger orders, and long-term growth. That's why our QC promise exists, so our clients succeed with every piece they sell. If you want deeper education on diamonds, lab-grown standards, or the jewelry business, I teach all of that on my second channel, Mind to Market. The link is in the description along with my WhatsApp number. If this helped you, subscribe to my channel. I make videos to help retailers and wholesalers understand real manufacturing, the things most factories never talk about. And if you ever work with Govinda Luxe, you'll see this quality in every piece. Thank you for watching, and my next video is coming tomorrow. Do like and subscribe.